Hi there! I have a special announcement for you today. My new online masterclass just went live, and I'm excited to share this with you today. For those of you who struggle with fatigue, sluggishness, and feel that their life and their productivity is impacted by it, this is for you. And if you also have hypothyroidism and or Hashimoto, and you just can't afford to feel tired all day, please listen on. My clients often are CEOs, entrepreneurs, or lawyers, and many people rely on their work and guidance on a daily basis. Not feeling up to par for the game each day can add problems, and if the productivity suffers, things can go south pretty quick. But that doesn't have to be your reality at all, even if you struggle with your health at this point. My clients and I have achieved sustained energy levels without the need of caffeine, sugary snacks, or forced naps to keep us going. My clients can now choose to have a coffee if they want to, not being dependent on the caffeine anymore. And their productivity is often higher than it was before. They are incredible leaders, full of energy, and they can still spend quality time with their family. This is a win-win for all. So if you are interested in learning more about how to achieve just that, watch my online masterclass today. In this masterclass, I share how my clients are now powering through the day, feeling energetic and productive, the simple cause of thyroid fatigue that often gets overlooked, and 3 unknown ways to more permanent energy. And also the single most important things you must know to increase your energy and the 3 mistakes to avoid when feeling tired all the time. So I hope you will join me for this masterclass and get clarity on what it is that helps you get your vitality back. Click on the link below and register today. You will be glad you did.